Meadowlark Log Homes built the cabin behind me. It's got a gorgeous view, and the loft bedroom looks out over the lake in the most beautiful way. The interior of this cabin is a kind of Victorian rustic, because we were able to use the dark wood stain and keep a quiet quality that fits our Victorian furniture. The aesthetic of this home is just gorgeous. We redesigned the interior to suit our needs more particularly, and they did a wonderful job working with us, built the kit on their site and brought it literally on time to the day. This cabin is used primarily for vacationers, and it makes a wonderful getaway. We've been very happy with our experience with Meadowlark Log Homes.